Welcome to uWrench. Now if you've got one of these types of key fobs for your Ford, then this is the video for you. Let's take a look at changing the battery. So first of all, to remove the rear cover, if you look at the top here, you've got this little latch. You can actually press that down with your nail. So what we want to do is press that down, and with your other nail just open up the top and separate the two. It's like a little hinge at the bottom. So inside we've got our emergency key blade, and what we want to do is we want to separate this inner section from this outer shell. So grab yourself a coin. I'm going to put that just under this little lip at the top here. Then use that to twist. There goes the first, and there's the second. So now we can just separate these two parts. So just carefully put that to one side, don't turn it over, it will fall out. Carefully put it to one side. Then grab yourself a cocktail stick or a small screwdriver, just come under the bottom of the first of these two batteries and just pop that up. And note this one is facing upward, so the text on the first battery is facing downward. Then we have this little separating piece, don't throw that away, just lift that up. Move that aside. Sometimes it will stay on this little point here and you can pivot it round. Ours has come off, but that's no problem. And then note the lower of these two batteries, this one has the text, the rear of the battery facing upward. So again, just carefully prise that out. And the battery type that you need is this type, which is a 2025. These aren't very expensive, you can pick them up on Amazon. We'll add some links into the video description for you. To take the first of our brand new batteries, remember we want this one with the text facing upwards. We want to put our little separator back into place. And the second battery, remember you want the text facing down. So these two batteries, they basically go back to back, so the text on these two batteries touches. So text down on your second battery. Now we want to put these two sections back together. And note on the bottom here, you've got these two little latches. And these need to be located correctly to these two little points at the bottom here. And if your key blade dropped out, as ours did, let's make sure we put that back in. Then we need to attach the rear cover, and at the bottom just here we've got a little hinge. You want to get that in under this lip here first of all. Make sure that's nice and snug. Click it together. And there we go. So now test all of your buttons are working. And of course make sure it's still communicating properly with your car. So that's how to change the batteries in your Ford key fob. This video has been helpful for you. Can you please hit that like button before you leave us? Thanks for watching. We'll see you again.